The Peer has two methods to log in. The first is by email or username. The second is by using SingPass. To log in using SingPass, scan the QR code using your SingPass app. Or if you are using a mobile, tab in the QR code section. To log in using email, enter your email and password, then click the Sign In. Here is the first page after you log in. In this part will display a form that you must submit today. Your outstanding task today will appear here. The history of tasks you have worked on will appear here. You can add a form that you use frequently as a favorite form to make it easy to find. Peer is also equipped with multi-language and multi-project. Next is the profile link section. On this page there are several menus to manage your account. Edit My Profile. You can update your profile information such as full name, alias, email, mobile number and designation. Account Security. To manage your account security, you can change your password here, view your last password changes, and activate the 2FA feature for further security. My Assignment. With multiple projects on Peer, you can easily find out what projects you are participating in. The last one is Notification Setup. You can activate real-time Telegram notification in this menu. Next is the User Management menu. User Management, Data Setup, Project Setup and Company Profile are menus that can only be accessed by users with administrator access rights. In this menu you can update user information, such as update profile information, reset password, change access rights and remove user. User access in Peer has 4 levels: Registers User, Staff, Project Admin and Administrator. You can also lock or suspend a user by tick the locked box. Data Setup is where the project role, designation, inspection setup master data and form templates are created. In the Form Template menu, you can create a new form template or edit an existing form template. Questions on the form template can be customized. There are many types of questions. You can also set your own flow form template. And you can upload the printout of the form you want. Project Setup. Project Setup is a collection of setups from various projects. Each project can have a different setup. Data in Project Setup is taken or copied from Data Setup. The last one from Admin menu is Company Profile. The Company Profile contains basic information about your company. Worker in Manpower Management menu. In the Worker menu there is a list of existing or active workers and workers who are not active or archived worker. You can update information on a worker by clicking on the 3 dots menu next to the worker name. You can also add new workers individually, and also add workers in bulk by uploading an Excel file containing a list of workers. Staff menu is almost the same as worker. You can also add staff in bulk and change staff to user by setting credentials for staff. Next menu is Apply HSSE PTW. You will find the calendar display and can see the PTW schedule on the calendar. And on the right is a PTW list which contains details of PTW. PTW list contains details such as company name, operation of PTW, location, and status. In the PTW plan, there are prerequisites that must be completed before you raise the PTW plan. Daily checklist form is a checklist form that must be submitted every day and is only valid for 1 day. Daily checklist submission in mobile version. After completing the prerequisites and the daily checklist, the PTW applicant needs to submit the PTW form or PTW main form. In this example, PTW applicant has submitted PTW and is currently pending assessment. The next menu is Dashboard. The dashboard will display a statistical view regarding the PTW that has been applied. There is a date range filter and filter by company. Displays the total PTWs, approved, pending, rejected and PTWs revoked. Toolbox Meeting Dashboard has the same filters as the PTW dashboard. There is a TBM chart that has been applied, the number of workers participating in TBM and comments from workers. Next menu is HSSE Inspection. HSSE Inspection is safety inspection on assets. Practices will be approved or rejected by the authorized personnel. In the detail inspection there is a list of findings, then there are types of inspection status. Draft, finding which is still in progress. Pending rectification, pending verification, rectified and verified. This is the view finding found by the inspector and sends it to the PIC for rectification. After PIC performs rectification, finding will be sent back to the inspector for verification. The inspector can approve or reject corrective actions that have been carried out by PIC. If the corrective action is approved by the inspector, the finding status will change to rectified and verified. Thanks for watching. You can visit our website to find out more about PEER.